can see from my oyster mushrooms that a little bit of spores are growing. Hopefully it will continue sprouting. See a lot of mycelium growth. Myconoko, the name of the company I grew these with in the workshop. Pinheads, so happy. More pins growing. You can see the stems very clearly. A little bud here. They've grown. So tall. Day 20. See a bit of frills at the side of the oyster mushrooms. And here you can see the caps of my oyster mushrooms with some frills showing some signs of maturing. And here we see very distinct gills of the oyster mushroom that disperse spores. So look here, all I do is pull and it comes off very clean and neatly. Wow, look at that. Strong growth. Structure of the stems. So here we can see that oyster mushrooms are connected by stipes, which is another word for stems. The thread-like structures are called hyphae, so when you pull them off, it separates the body with the mycelium underneath. Here are my harvested mushrooms. After harvesting our first flush of mushrooms, we will need to scrape the top layer of soil called the casing layer, which becomes too matted and suffocates and blocks fresh air and prevents water from penetrating for the second flush. So here I am lightly scratching the top very, very lightly and initiating fresh oxygen to signal to the fungus that it can grow more pins. So hopefully it can reproduce and trigger a second flush. Also, the tiny baby mushroom called aborts may be left in the soil, and left alone will attract mold or can increase bacterial infections.